Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I received a design team package from ASC Craft Supplies, and they included this beautiful paper from Stamperia. It's from their romantic collection called Journal. These are all of the items that you receive in the collection. This is available at ASC Craft Supplies. They have two online retail locations. You can reach them on the web or on their Etsy store. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code Robyn10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. I'm going to clear off my desktop, and the first item that we're going to review is the 12 by 12 paper collection. I'll be right back. This is the 12 by 12 collection. As you can tell, it is quite different from some of the other Stamperia collections. This has got a very muted, soft background with neutral tones. I just love the images that I see so far. Earlier this year, Stamperia came out with their romantic collection, which includes 3 different lines. So today we're reviewing the journal collection. On the inside cover, you have these large cut aparts with sentiments. They say timeless, wonderful, forever. Now this is quite different from Stamperia. Typically the sentiments will be much smaller, but these are quite large, which I think will go nicely on projects. The next page is this beautiful muted print. In the center, you have script writing in French. I love the layered and distressed background. And in the lower left corner, you've got this beautiful stopwatch and this large flower. This is the back, again, a very muted collage. This is the next page. Next, we have this fun design of the brick in the background and more text. This page is beautiful. I love the outline of the flowers. In the center, you have this lined paper and this beautiful quote. It says, "You have bewitched me, body and soul, and I love, love, love you, and wish from this day forth never to be parted from you." That's a beautiful quote. This is the next page, again, very muted and neutral. On this page, you have this beautiful lace trim on the front. You've got these beautiful floral prints in the background, more of the lined paper, and you have hints of pink and mint green on the bottom. This is the back. This is very similar to the reverse page. This is the next page. I love this large floral detail. It says preserved memories. And again, you've got more of this lined paper. This is perfect for journaling. On the back, we have these light pink scalloped areas with floral centers, and on the left you have what looks like a torn page. Next, you have this beautiful collage. You've got the torn paper notes, these printed ferns. This is such a beautiful collection. On the back, you have a subtle fleur-de-lis print. Next, you have this large clock flanked with these beautiful flowers on top. I love the contrast between the very subtle muted pages, and then you have some pages that have these very dark images. This page is similar to the previous page, but instead of pink, we have blue scallops and the pink roses in the center. This is the next page. On the back, you have several frames, which you could easily include various size photos, and then more of this lined paper on the top, perfect for journaling. And of course, I love this beautiful floral image on the bottom. On the next page, we have these large frames that you can easily cut out, and I love all of the sentiments. Amazing, timeless, love, sunshine. On the next page, we have a very subtle pattern here with hints of roses. Next, we have these cut aparts. So the back is fairly plain. This would be perfect for photos. On the last page, you have these beautiful cut aparts. I love that they are so large. It makes it really easy to cut out. You've got these beautiful flowers, the pocket watches, the gems, the stamps. This is beautiful. The 8x8 collection is just like the 12x12. However, they have minimized the size. This is perfect for card making. We have the die cuts, and there are 37 pieces here. I'm going to open up the package so we can review each of the pieces. These are all of the die cuts in the package. You have some pieces that are quite large, like these pocket watches. You have several of the frames. You have these large
rectangles here, lots of sentiment, and then you have smaller clocks here, the gems, more flowers, and then a pen and scissors. The last element in the collection are these adhesive chipboard stickers. These are slightly thinner than the previous chipboard pieces that I had shown you earlier. Let me give you a closer look. As you can see, the ovals, the gems. I love the pocket watches, these beautiful frames, this large die cut piece here. And then of course you have some sentiments. This concludes my review of the beautiful Stamperia Romantic Collection journal. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, please come back to my channel to see the beautiful projects that I've created with this collection. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.